Hi boss, welcome back to Crypto Trader. In this video, we will try our best to technically analyze the SHIB token and try to find any possible buy opportunities. We are currently in the weekly graph. As you can see, we have a huge bull run for the past few weeks, and now the market is in consolidation phase. So as you can see, we are in the weekly graph and we have couple of selling candles. But the good thing is that both selling candles are getting wicks from the bottom. Although they are getting wicks from the top as well, but the point is that we are in an uptrend. So wicks from the bottom really does matter. So in the current scenario, we can say that probably the market has created a low, and the current weekly candle you can see is an inside bar of the previous weekly candle, and price is unable to break the low of the previous weekly candle. So we can say that the low of the previous weekly candle, which is around 4351, this is probably the benchmark for us. If the market breaks below this zone, then we may try to find any selling opportunity. Otherwise, as long as the market remains above this low, we will try to find the buy opportunities, because this pullback phase may come to an end at any time as long as the market is above this low point. Now let's move down to the one time frame and see if there is any buy opportunity here. Yes, as you can see, the market has created a lower structure for it. This is the major area of values the market has respected couple of times, as you can see. So if you get the market once again in this zone, you can find any good buy reason here and then place your buy entry accordingly. Let's come down to another time frame and go to 4 hourly time frame. Here you will see that excuse me. Here you see that this is the zone which has been respected by the market most recently as well as frequently. One time here as a resistance, one time here as a support, and then again as a support here. So to me, this area has become a major area of value for SHIB token, and we can say that this is the point where we can find our buy opportunity, because we are in the bull run and we have to find only buy entries at the moment. The market is currently in the pullback phase, but pullback phase is about to an end, in my opinion. So I believe once the market reach in this zone, you should try to find any double bottom or any other good buying reason, like a hammer candle or kind of this candle, or any bullish engulfing candle. So if you are already in a buy position, I think you don't have to worry about your position as long as the market is above this structure zone, which has been recently developed by the market. And if it breaks and closes below this zone, then you probably think about your buy positions. And if it happens, like consider that the market has broken below this uh, support zone, and any one candle has been closed by the market below this zone, then the next structure, which is on the daily chart, is this structure, which is between 3544 and 2858. If the market closes below this, if the market closes below this zone, then you may try to find any other buy opportunity in this zone. So conclusively, I can say that the market is in an uptrend, and currently we are going through a pullback phase, and we can see that the market has developed a major area of value for it, which has been respected couple of times by the market. And as long as we do not see any candle closes below this zone, we are still in the uptrend. So all you need to do is to find any good buying reason in this zone. Once you get the price back into this zone, try to find any good buy reason like a long wick rejection from the bottom, or a hammer candle, or a good bullish engulfing candle, or a double bottom. Then place your buy entry for a good profit again. Good luck. Happy trading.